One stat really stood out to us. Square video, 1-to-1 ratio, takes up 78% more real estate in a person's mobile newsfeed than does landscape video. That's a lot of space. And with mobile content consumption on a dramatic rise, this felt like something we had to get to the bottom of. Mobile content consumption is exponentially increasing. I feel like I'm just beating a dead horse here. You guys know that. In some cases, Square Video resulted in 30 to 35% higher video views and an 80 to 100% increase in engagement. Basically, Square Video is helpful and you can use it in your strategy. Now, I haven't been the best at doing this. You see Loki in the back. I haven't taken the next step, but it really is simple to make a video square. The easiest way is you can make it square on Instagram. When you upload a video to Instagram, it automatically crops your video. So you can do it on Instagram, and then through Instagram you can share your video to Facebook. That is an easy way to get your video square. However, if you're doing highly produced videos and it's not necessarily going on Instagram first, or maybe it's a 3-minute video that you want specifically for Facebook, not for YouTube, because I don't even know that square is a thing on YouTube. Today, let's just make our video square using Final Cut Pro 10.
Going through this, realizing that I've been adjusting my videos for Facebook, and I haven't been making them square. Like, seriously, Katie? Seriously? Vlog batch, we'll just choose that one. Alright, we're gonna... I'll just drag all these in here right now. Highlight that all. Files in place. Proximity, good. So we imported all of our data. File, new project. Now this is the important part right here. Square tutorial, and here, this is the magic right here. This is the magic. In this video format, we're going to go to custom, and then we're going to do 1080 by 1080. And then depending on what your frame rate is, I shoot at 30. But I know more cinematic stuff is 2324. Ah, look at that. This is a cute video. So look, I plop it in here. So what I can do now is I've got a few options. We'll pretend I shot this in vertical. This is the first way. What we can do is we can take this video and use our normal 16:9 aspect ratio, and we can add titles. They can either stay on the video, or like we did in the last video with the captions, they can change. It's hilarious. I don't know. Whatever. There we go. I would edit this as a normal video, but now I've got these text files. Loki is Loki. It's hilarious. Yeah, you know, you've got the option there. Option 2. We can crop this so it fits and it's now a square video. You just want to be careful that you're not cutting an important part of your content if your content happens in one of these corners. So we're just going to take the transform and we're going to scale it. Now we might lose some resolution. That's okay. Here we go, and now we have a square video. And this is the cute part. Look at that. All right, we're watching it. Ooh, doesn't look like we are missing any of the content. We are pretending that we shot in vertical. This is my super secret awesome trick that I use to turn vertical video into horizontal, or in this case, square. Okay, I double it up. Cut out one of the audio. We do not need echoing. And then this bottom one, I'm going to crop it. Make your vertical video take up the whole square. Don't worry if it looks bad, because then we are going to add a blur. Okay, and then we're going to turn this live again. And then there we go. So if that was vertical video, now we have made a vertical video square. Same thing as we did with vertical with the horizontal. I'll do that just to show you. Not that this video is getting too long. go here. Crop it. Gaussian blur.